Friday, Japolo, all night, Saturday night, our club in the moon.
Oh, Jesus! Shut up! Today is Sunday, go to church. Go to church and stop that your life. Young Pantu.
Good day, my people, and welcome to another funny video from World's Top Funny Videos. Well, make yourself comfortable and let's get into the laughter.
You know that? Lick me in my mouth like how I talk about my book. They're not licking my mouth.
Right to a system.
I want to go right to system.
As a man, you have to eat up your bag of fruits.
Yeah, man, bad man, I be a so WhatsApp juice meeting fee back, you know, bad man. Yeah, man, a stroke, man, a stroke, you know, bad man.
So me a eat up the pineapple and my fat up pum pum da.
How are you? What want for you?
Banana, me see how you eat.
Eat right now, be a mango in me, brother. Be a mango in me, brother. Bad man. You watch and just put us on that. Cause we not go play no domino with man like them. You ain't a bad man. You know, you man a chop boss. I be a mango. No, Alex, no, dog. Me rate you, dog, but me I tell you, see the part, the way God in the part, they know you bad man. And I go do the part, the bad man. I be a mango. Yo, just get up and leave. The man, the brother, you see man in a bad man.
I be a mango in me. 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 I be a mango. Let me show you.
This is for the men and some of the women. What color was the dog?
Drop me slip, no man. You know, marry the half woman out. Drop me skirt, man. Time is going.
Yes, the skirt is proportion.
It's not right, Brother Thomas. It's on the floor still. You're crumpy, man.
People, sometimes it's getting risky. Sometimes I cannot be bothered. Sometimes I'm tired. Sometimes I want to go all about. Sometimes people know the girl with the look up pum people. I'm tired of the girl with the tight hole, man. I want some big hole girl. People, I'm tired for just in, out. In, out. People, I want to go all about, man. I want to dance, dance soca. I want moonwalk. I want to go up. I want to go side. I want to go left side, east, north, west, and south. Tired of the tight hole girl, man. One way Charlie boy can go. In, out. I want a big, something big, people here, big. Yeah, I like when them things can swallow all of me. I can't be bothered anymore, man. I need something big now. Every man has sing about big, tight hole girl. Want to the big hole one. I want a big hole. Big hole.
Being an entrepreneur in Jamaica.
I mean, Kingston 11.
Yeah, man, you me look for.
I mean, say, as you're dead, call me.
You know, so Tom do good dead, and they want somebody for ball. How much you charge?
3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll.
Also a hustler.
Big me off a cuff and go down the hole at 10 grand.
Yeah, man, that one them more. That one them more, Rasta. That one them.
Yo, we'll see a last camera. Big a last
Who's pay for my frock.
If I'm pay for the frock.
Now we yet. Hey, we yet nothing. We can't come out of this.
But now I'm gonna wear me
pay for my frock.
Money for offer.
Pay for my frock.
Where you go pay for?
I work for my things. I want to pay the girl.
Come the girl. No money go pay the woman enough.
I am not a part two, you know. I am not a part two, you know. Go to which auntie?
I take my client from you. Eh? 2 minutes at the airport war. 2 minutes at the airport war. Eh? 2 minutes, your mouth ugly like. I don't even want you to smell my poop. You're outside, you're ugly, I don't have problem with the bathroom. I phone the bathroom, I clap like convention. You have problem with your bathroom. Leave me alone. What's your other and bright? You're busy, I call me fish and you're your friend about weed. I don't even know if your friend out to come for me for half of me or half of E.
Well, still in the group, then we have to take up the crime and violence and I kill off them one day in the ghetto. That song, yeah, a phone song. Every time you hear another gun pop, and next you drop, I mean not like that. Every time you hear a next gun pop, I mean not like that. Take it up, hold on. Hey, send best you'd be. Take it up. Yo, send best you'd be business-minded. Call Babylon, them too bad-minded. Send best you'd them blessed and appointed. From your mama push you out till you do your 90. Why you talk to murder, redemption so kindly. You don't move so blindly. Just like a little calm and I remind them. Miss, I wanna know. Every time you hear a next gun pop, I get to you drop. Yeah, I mean not like that. Every time you hear a next gun.
You can't say what me I say now.
My time, it's
my time, man. Well, I've never bust a chain and me never pick a pocket. Never see a whole man bag and try grab it. Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. Why not in here? Ninja.
Me say, any day, name day, me come home and see a man on my pillow with my girl, on my bed. I drink my favorite champagne with my favorite cup. Remember me tell you, mark my words. Me are going on kind of a ball.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I have to control your passenger boy when they tell me just bother than me tell him. I wonder if you think a policeman can lock me up, so. Boy, you idiot, me pay a policeman to arrest me. Move out of my face and drive me van. You don't tell the boy to stop customer road to me. You think I beg me beg you drive? I'm the customer road on the baby. Hold on, you know the guy can you ain't in there when he goes. I style you, you can't style me, you know. You can't style me, because I'm police boy and put that handcuff on this. You go and laugh with that. Let me tell you. Because you don't know me. Your radio man to go be and ask me. Like your ma and you.
It's you.
May I hear you, me not Dave?
Good. There are the persons in the car.
No, you must listen me.
Hold on.
You have to ask him when cuss me say. I mean cuss him back. Because I'm not there in the way.
Well, on today's episode of Jamaica is not a real place. Just the two girls who wear tight up skirt and them are walking on Manning's Hill, right? On Manning's Hill Road. And me I watch every man I broke them neck for look on them two body jar. Alright. Me see about 4 man I broke them neck for look on the body there. And at the bus stop, me see one blind brother and the weird body sweet him. You've done it. Look for the body. The man have the cane and the glasses and everything, you know, a serious thing. A serious and a joke to me attack. Blind man said, go there, look for the body jar.